Oke guys, jadi kali ini kita bakal lanjutin buat namatin GTA Vice City kemarin ya guys. Jadi ini adalah part 3. Kalau mau lihat part 1 dan part 2-nya tinggal cek di Andika PZ aja ya guys. Di situ aku udah buat playlistnya dan nanti aku bakal taruh di atas ya guys ya. Nanti kartunya aku kasih kalau selesai videonya. Dan selamat Paskah juga buat umat yang merayakan Paskah. Semoga damai Paskah ini, semoga dengan melalui kebangkitan Kristus kita bisa lebih baik lagi ya guys ya. Oke, jadi kali ini kita langsung aja guys live streamingnya. Kita bakal lanjutin misi kita kemarin ya guys ya. Jadi langsung aja. Oke guys. Buat kalian yang baru gabung guys, jangan lupa buat di share videonya guys ya. Jadi guys, kita kemarin udah laksanain misi dari kolonel dan dari rumah kita guys ya, dari mansion kita di rumah kita yang baru. Dan kemarin juga aku udah ngelaksanain misi dari bibi kita itu guys ya. Dan misinya susah banget, yaitu ngebawa pesawat mainan. Dan semoga kali ini kita berhasil guys ya. Dan kebetulan juga kita udah buka misi dari rocker ya guys ya. Lupa namanya siapa guys. Itu dia seorang penyanyi rock ya guys ya. Kalau nggak salah dari Love Fest. Nama band mereka tuh Love Fest. Jadi Love Fest. Sorry. Jadi guys, buat kalian semuanya tetap stay at home ya guys ya. Jaga kesehatan dan selalu cuci tangan kalian. Jaga kebersihan ya guys ya. Karena pandemi corona ini masih belum selesai guys. Oke, kita punya senjata. Oke, kita aman karena kita punya senjata guys. Jadi kita laksanakan misi dari bapak-bapak ini dulu guys ya, pemilik restoran ini. Misinya kemarin kita gagal guys. Jadi kali ini aku nggak mau gagal lagi guys.
Papi,
Hay problema, Tom.
papi, un gran problema.
Humberto, my son, what
The
happened?
Haitians. I hate these Haitians. They messed with me for the last time. These Haitians. We'll take them out. Only we need some backup. I lost a few hermanos already out there. Amigo, you drive good.
For a woman, right?
This is no time for joking. Come on, drive for me again. Take my boys over there, and then we'll take these Haitians down. If they mess with me, they mess with the biggest boy in town.
I say no to that, man.
Oke, get a car and pick the Cubans from Tuesday. Oke, siap. Oke teman-teman, mari kita mulai aja penyergapannya. Oke, langsung aja guys.
We gonna fight like men.
Oke. Semoga di misi kali ini kita nggak gagal lagi ya guys ya. Kemarin karena darah kita tinggal sedikit lagi sih guys, makanya kita kalah guys. Jadi kali ini aku nggak bakal ngelakuin kesalahan yang sama guys. Kita bakal ngehemat darah kita guys ya, supaya nggak cepat mati gitu.
I'm gonna kick the
Selamat hari Minggu ya guys ya.
Hey, shit your brain. Hey, amigo, good to see you can make it. This stinking nest of Haitians, we gonna kill them all. Charge!
Cara cepatnya sih tinggal ledakin mobilnya guys ya. Oke, siap. Oke, satu lagi. Nggak kena loh hanya. Pakai sniper aja lah. Dadah. Oke, satu lagi.
Oye,
Oke. Gak mati guys. Oke.
Now, my brother, charge!
Charge. Charge. Wow. Wow.
Sniper on the roof! They fight like girls. Take cover!
They fight like girls. Itu
We need
sindiran yang mantap
reinforcements from
banget
the
ya,
cafe!
guys.
Take out that cowardly sniper!
Oke.
You better watch your hands, man. Trying to kill me or something.
Kita main sniper aja guys ya, biar cepat gitu. Dan akurat tembakan kita guys.
Oh yeah, man.
Ips.
I need the balls.
Kita malah ngebunuh kawan kita. Aduh, itu sumpah guys. Sorry guys.
You don't need it anyhow.
Kita ulang dulu guys ya. Ini gila guys. Aduh, kok kita ditembakin sih guys. Aduh. Ulangi.
Tommy, we gotta talk about stuff.
What's the problem, Lance?
It's you, my friend. I feel you're not giving me a fair slice. And more than that, you've been embarrassing me in front of the boys. I can't have that.
Lance, it ain't like that. You've been making mistakes.
Tommy, I'm not your message boy. I'm not your running boy.
Lance, don't screw up and we won't have any problems. I screw up, you can lay into me anytime.
Tommy, I've done everything for you. You treat me like a fool. Don't do that.
Lance, I won't rip you off or stab you in the back, okay? Just take it easy. This is tough enough without you getting all emotional on me. Trust me. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
I hear you, Tommy. But I can't take this much more.
Lance, don't be like this. Now I'm warning you. Do you hear me? Just relax. Take a few days off, okay? I'll talk to you.
Hey, pretty thing, I'll show you.
Give me some money! Oh, okay, so they totally bumped into me.
Oke. Sorry guys ya, tadi itu adalah sebuah kecerobohan yang sangat-sangat tidak keren ya guys ya. Jadi kita bakal ulangin lagi guys. Ini sumpah lah guys. Aku mau beli armor dulu guys ya. Armor kita udah habis.
What could possibly be happening here?
Oke. Buat kalian semua guys, jangan lupa buat jaga kesehatan kalian dan stay at home ya guys ya. Jangan keluar rumah dulu karena pandemi corona ini masih belum selesai ya guys ya. Oh guys, kali ini aku nggak bakal buat kesalahan lagi ya guys ya, karena tadi aku malah ngebunuh kawan aku guys.
Stop acting so hard. Here's my car.
Oke, kita hajar aja langsung geng musuh kita guys ya.
We gonna fight like men.
Wow, sorry. Awas kalian bro.
Move that shit.
Sorry. Aku tuh ngemudinya kayak parah banget gitu. Sorry. Oke, kita siap bertarung guys.
Hey, amigo, good to see you
Oye,
can
man,
make it.
not
This
in the
stinking nest of Haitians, we gonna kill them all. Charge!
Lempar bom aja guys.
My vario.
Gak bisa ya guys ya. Oke.
Now, my brother, charge! Sniper on the roof! They fight like girls. Take cover! We need reinforcements from the cafe!
Oke. Ngeri ya guys ya naik taksi.
Take out that cowardly sniper!
I will bury you.
Oke.
Fight like men with huge cojones!
Huge cojones. Wow, ternyata mereka ada banyak guys. Ini sih gila banget ya guys ya.
Respond to a 10-21 West, should I see?
Aduh, mana senjatanya guys?
Respond to a 10-19 West, should I see? Suspect on foot.
Mereka nggak bisa ya guys ya. Oh kita disuruh kabur ya guys. Kirain kita ngabisin mereka semua guys. Awas kalian.
Will chase you.
Aduh, polisi ini ngeganggu jalan kita aja guys. Pak polisi. Sorry Pak polisi. Jangan ngegas dong Pak polisi. Aduh, Pak polisi ini ngegas sekali lah. Easy boy. Easy banget gitu loh.
Alberto, uno café, senor.
Don't serve the snake in the straw. You're two-faced, Tommy. You're either two-faced or you're a wimp, baby boy. The Haitians, man, they're laughing at me.
Easy, easy. What's your problem?
They're laughing at me, Tommy, at me, Humberto Rubino. They're doing whatever they like.
Nobody does whatever they like, Umberto. They do what you let them do.
What?
You want somebody taken care of? I can handle it, but it's gonna cost you. I know we're brothers and all, but this is business.
Tommy, you a real man. Businessman, a gentleman. These Haitians, they have a load of product coming in offshore. Really good stuff. We take it, and we finish them. You take it, and I look after you. Like my brother, like my son.
I think I prefer the cash to being bounced on your knee, amigo.
Lanjut.
We had him big time, man.
Lah, ini kayaknya tadi mobil kita, guys. Kok nggak bisa dibuka tuh? Hah, aneh banget nih game, guys. Gak ada mobil loh, guys. Bang, pinjam mobilnya ya, Bang ya. Pinjam ya, Bang ya. Nanti aku kembaliin kok. Ips. Pak polisi, permisi Pak polisi, maaf Pak polisi.
Hey, Rico. Nice boat. You ready?
See, Tommy, now you be a good shot today.
Oke, jadi kita bakal nembak dari atas perahu ya, guys ya. Ini kayaknya seru banget sih, guys. Aduh, sumpah aku bingung. Gimana sih cara bunuhnya? Lah. Yang benar aja. Anjay. Oke, kayaknya kita harus beli senjata, guys. Dan jauh banget di sana. Pinjam mobilnya, Bang. Kita beli senjata dulu, guys ya. Karena ini kita nggak punya senjata ini, guys.
Get off the road, Omar.
Oke. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Cara ngebunuh mereka tadi itu gimana ya guys ya? Mustahil kalau itu bisa langsung guys.
Hello, Grandpa.
Oh, kita kayaknya hanya disuruh bunuh satu orang gitu guys ya. Oke oke. Hanya satu orang guys yang kita bunuh.
Hey, Rico. Nice boat. You ready?
See, Tommy, now you be a good shot today. My boat, she no good, full of holes, okay?
Jadi yang dibunuh itu siapa guys? Kill all the Titans on the boat. Gimana caranya guys? Ini mereka ada banyak loh guys ya.
Rotterdam, 19 Northwest, Papi Thailand. Respond to Rotterdam, 71 Northwest, Papi Thailand.
Mana lagi guys?
Respond to Rotterdam, 19 Northwest.
Wow 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 wow, wow. Sorry bang. Aku nggak bermaksud gitu bang.
Rotterdam, 21
Nggak kena loh.
Papi Thailand. Respond to Rotterdam, 19 Northwest, Papi Thailand. Rotterdam, 21 Northwest, Papi Thailand. Rotterdam, 19 Northwest.
Mana lagi? Oh iya di atas men.
Suspect on foot.
Mantap, kakinya putus. Satu lagi guys, mana? Mana lagi?
Rotterdam, 19 Northwest,
Mana
Papi
lagi?
Thailand.
Kasih nampak lah kau. Where are you boy? Mana lagi bos? Eps, udah bintang 3 guys. Mana tuh orang? Mana orangnya? Oh itu. Aman.
Rotterdam,
Wow, polisi
19
bintang 3
Northwest,
guys.
Papi Thailand.
Oke. Mantap jiwa. Game cacing dong dik. Game cacing. Aduh. Udah banyak game cacing bro. Gimana caranya anjay? Wow. Gimana caranya? Kita nggak punya mobil anjay. Oke, ini banyak polisi guys. Gimana cara mancing mereka guys? Bentar. Aku harus cari cara dulu. Aduh, nggak ada cara guys. Ini bintang 4 gimana sih caranya? Gila. Gimana caranya? Mobil nggak ada guys.
Suspect on foot.
Sumpah nggak ada mobil guys. Oke, ini mobil guys. Aduh, kenceng banget mobilnya guys. Ini mobil. Oke, ini kita dapat mobil guys. Pinjam mobilmu bang, cepat bang. Sorry bang ya, aku tadi buru-buru bang. Bukan tadi sih bang, sekarang. Ada bapak polisi lagi guys. Bapak polisi, sorry bapak polisi. Ini tugas dari bosku pak polisi. Aduh. Ayo dong. Bapak polisinya ada di sini guys. Oke, mantap jiwa. Kita berhasil lagi ya guys ya. Mantap jiwa. Oke. Kita simpan dulu guys. Itu tadi misi agak sulit juga ya guys ya.
You should know who you're messing with.
Pak polisi di sini sangat brutal loh guys. Game cacing mungkin kita coba di next video ya. Kalau ini udah tamat nanti kita bakal cari game yang lain ya guys ya buat video kita. Sorry bang. Sorry ya bang ya. Nggak sengaja.
You did what?
Oh, baju yang lama. Kirain itu baju baru tadi guys. Oke. Ini misi apa guys? Oh, kayaknya.
You moron! What were you thinking? Do you realize what this means? We could all be so...
And the timer must have got screwed. That place was wired to go up like a firework factory. And somebody tipped off the cops, but
What's
everything
the
fell
problem,
apart.
fellas?
Mike was supposed to torch someplace in the mall, but he screwed the fuses, and now the
I'm
cops are
sorry.
crawling all over it. We gotta get our stuff and get out of here.
Relax, both of you. Let me think for a second. Tommy Vercetti just doesn't cut and run. The cops are going to be going over that building with a fine-tooth comb, right? But that takes time. We got to go in and torch that place ourselves.
Yeah, but
No one but a cop could get within a mile of that place.
So we go as cops. We got to get uniforms, and we're going to need a squad car. All thanks to you, Mike.
I'm sorry.
I got it. All we gotta do is lure the cops in with the finger, put them in a locker, and jump 'em.
Good plan. Let's go.
All right.
Siap.
Okay, Lance, let's get the cops' attention.
Oh, aku tahu misi ini guys. Tapi sebelumnya kita harus beli senjata ya guys ya, karena kita bakal bertempur guys di misi kali ini guys. Maksudnya beli armor guys ya, bukan beli senjata sih. Kita beli armor dulu, baru nanti kita laksanain misinya guys ya. Sorry. Sorry Pak Polisi, nggak sengaja loh. Bentar Pak Polisi, aku mau beli senjata dulu Pak Polisi. Bukan senjata Pak Polisi, maksudnya beli armor. Aduh. Oke.
Hey, slime ball, move it.
Sorry. Oke, sekarang kita cari perhatian polisi dengan cara apa ya? Gini.
Please move.
Satu bintang. Kita butuhnya 2 bintang, guys ya. Aduh.
Let's go to work.
Mana polisi anjay? Kok nggak ada yang nangkap kita ya, guys ya? Polisinya mana, guys? Gak ada yang nangkap kita loh. Mana ini polisi? Aduh. Oke, 2 bintang, guys. Kita nunggu polisi, guys ya. Sini, sini Pak polisi, sini.
I'm trying to get Jake.
Pss. Oke, terkunci. Oke. Oke. Ayo, Lens. Aduh, ini terblokir, guys. Aduh.
Just like training.
Oke. Nggak bisa. Oke, mantap.
Tie him up and gag him.
Ooh, fits perfectly.
Bit tight around the crotch, though.
Oh, yeah, mine too.
Oke. Tiba-tiba polisi yang tadi hilang, guys ya. Kawan kita tahu mana, guys?
Easy, brother. No cop drives this bad.
Easy, brother.
Remember, smile at the other cops.
Hey there,
Hi.
officer. Nice badge.
Real smooth, Lance.
Okay, timers are set. 5 seconds and ticking.
5 seconds. We got to get the hell out of here.
5 seconds. Timer apaan itu, anjay? Lari. Lari, ayo cepat lari, ayo. Aku nggak bercanda. Ayo lari, Lance. Lari. Ayo lari. Aku serius ini, harus lari. Lari dong, lari. Aduh. Tuh yang benar aja, guys. Ayo lari. Ah! Ulang. Ini gila. Itu lucu banget. Oke, kayaknya mobilnya harus dikasih agak keluar sedikit ya, guys ya.
Where we going now, boy?
Hey, Lance, let's get the cops' attention.
Oke, saatnya untuk mencari polisi. Mana polisi yang lagi jalan dan langsung ditabrak aja guys. Nggak usah pakai armor lagi guys ya. Kayak gini aja caranya. Tabrak. Oke, itu baru 1 bintang. Kita butuhnya 2 bintang biar banyak yang ngejar kita guys ya. Dan langsung aja bunuh polisi guys ya. Langsung dapat 2 bintang.
Check it out.
Ayo, mana polisinya? Oke, mantap jiwa.
Tie him up and gag him.
Ooh, fits perfectly.
Bit tight around the crotch, though.
Oh yeah, mine too.
Kali ini jangan gagal lagi guys ya. Kita harus parkir mobil kita dengan pas. Kita harus parkir mobilnya dengan benar ya guys ya. Biar kita bisa langsung keluar nanti guys. Sini aja.
Remember, smile at the other cops.
Hey there, officer.
Pertama kita harus beli
Nice badge.
Real smooth, Lance.
beli armor dulu guys ya. Kita harus beli armor dulu guys. Oke. Kayaknya aku perlu ini. Sama aja. Jangan pakai senjata guys.
Okay, timers are set. 5 seconds and ticking.
Satu, dua, tiga dan let's go lance. Ayo lance, cepat gerakanmu lance. Ayo lance. Ayo harus cepat lance, harus cepat ini bros. Ayo bos, harus cepat bos. Ini berbahaya sekali bos. Aduh bos, di mana-mana ada polisi. Aduh, bintang 5 guys. Ini sumpah lah guys. Ini polisinya brutal banget guys, sumpah. Jauh juga tempatnya guys. Wow. Waduh. Susah. Ayo dong, yang bentar aja dong. Kita di blockade ya guys ya, gila. Sumpah ini. Mau lari kemana kita ini guys? Aduh, jangan terbalik lagi. Aduh, please. Lari. Ambil mobilnya. Ayo cepat. Ayo. Aduh, yang benar aja lagi-lagi ini ada masalah guys. Aduh. Mantap jiwa. Mobil ini kayaknya bakal meledak lagi ya guys ya. Bintang 5 guys. Gila. Ini mau sampai, ayo. Sedikit lagi, ayo. Sedikit lagi, semangat mobil, ayo. Kamu pasti bisa mobil, ayo. Sedikit lagi kita sampai dan kita selesaikan misinya guys. Ayo. Lari aja lah, jalan aja. Ayo, lance. Cepat. Ayo bos, ayo. Ini berbahaya kali, anjay. Mantap. Kita berhasil guys. Oke, akhirnya berhasil juga guys. Tegang banget ya guys ini gamenya. Simpan dulu guys. Oke, lanjut ya guys ya. Sorry. Aku pertama mau beli rumah yang dekat kota dulu guys, biar kita save hostnya lebih cepat lagi. Jadi kayaknya di situ ada toko es krim yang bisa kita beli ya guys ya. Ini dia toko es krimnya. Es krim atau kue sih? Nah, es krim.
Keep your mouth shut there, Tommy, because I ain't got no time to talk. I ain't interested in what you gotta say. Why should I be? You don't care about me, do you? You gotta look after me a bit better. Give me a fair slice, you know? Hey, Tommy, man, look, hey, I'm sorry. It's just that people patronize me all my life, treat me like a little kid. My brother would do that. Please, man, don't do that. I gotta go.
Oke. Jadi di setiap save house kita tuh ada ceritanya guys ya.
Your new owner.
Were you now or at any time a child?
What are you talking about?
Were you a child?
Yes, calm down.
I
What's wrong
knew
with you?
it. A child. A dirty, stinking, sniveling, snotty, vile, puking, crying little baby. A baby! An awful, horrible, disgusting little boo-hoo. Mommy doesn't love you. You little shit.
Apaan sih?
Ow, calm down.
I hate babies, and I hate children. They're dirty, sniveling, snotting, vile, puking
Enough
little...
already. What is wrong with you?
Hmm.
You make soft ice cream, okay? It's purely for kids. What kind of psycho are you? Just so I understand this, why make children happy if you hate them?
Oh, you stupid, sniveling, snotty...
Shut up!
Rat! The ice cream is a front. We distribute other non-dairy products. And if I see a kid, I put him to good use. Don't I, kiddies? Yes, I do. Mommy doesn't love you. She hates you.
Apaan
What a
sih ini
nice
orang?
lady. Still, you know, I hear there's good money in ice cream.
Where we going now,
Oke,
boy?
kita simpan dulu ya guys ya. Oke, siap. Kita lanjutin misi kita guys ya.
You wanna help out, man?
Kita kembali ke tempat, ke cafe tadi guys ya. Misi dari om-om di cafe tadi guys. Come back when you have finished the heightened gang missions. Yang mana heightened gang missions? Oh ini. Oh, misi dari nenek kita itu. Oke. Misi yang pesawat terbang itu guys ya. Jadi itu agak sulit juga sih. Oke, jadi kita coba aja guys. Mana tahu kali ini kita ada Dewi Fortuna ya guys ya. Barangkali kali ini kita Dewi Fortuna bersama kita guys. Doain aja ya guys ya. Soalnya pesawatnya itu susah banget loh guys dikendaliin. Kita harus tetap tahan tombol up loh. Kalau nggak tahan tombol up dia bakal jatuh gitu.
Oh, sorry, I must have the wrong address.
Well, you might as well come in and rest your souls and have some tea. Do you have something there for me, Tommy?
Yeah. This place feels familiar to me. It's a smell from childhood, a deja vu.
Now, Tommy, I'm going to whisper a little errand for you. Hear me well, eh?
You look like someone I...
The Cubans have fast boats they use to cross the seas with drugs. It is their livelihood. Me nephew been making little flying bombs to take them out. Blow the boats to coffin wood.
Thanks for the tea.
Oke, langsung aja guys kita ke mobilnya ya guys ya. To the van. Sorry Pak Polisi. Oke, Bapak polisinya baik guys ya. Oke guys. Satu lagi guys. Ternyata memang Dewi Fortuna hari ini berpihak sama kita guys ya. Ayo dong meledak. Ayo meledak, ayo. Meledak. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Kita berhasil ya guys ya. Langsung simpan guys. Ini memang gila. Susah banget misinya kemarin guys ya. Jadi aku nggak mau ngulang lagi misi ini guys. Sumpah kita harus simpan dulu guys ya. Oke, sekarang kita laksanain misi dari Bibi lagi ya guys ya. Kayaknya misi dari Bibi kita ini susah-susah semua ya guys. Oke. Lanjut.
Hello? Hello? I'm looking for somebody around here.
You're looking hungry, Tommy.
Do I know you?
Hush now. One more thing and I can let you go, Tommy. My boys can war with them Cuban boys, but no guns. But the Cubans have a surprise coming. While they fight in the streets, you take this rifle and kill them in the hubbub. No one sees you, no one hear you. Now, Tommy, you do this for me, and you no longer tied to my apron strings.
Okay, Auntie.
Kita dikasih sniper sama tante kita guys ya. We must win this battle. Oke, siap. Oh, salah. Salah ya. Salah tembak aku guys. Sorry. Oh. Aduh, yang dibunuh siapa sih? Oh, yang gak ada tanda panahnya berarti ya guys ya. Come on. Aduh. Oh, jadi kita harus diam-diam guys. Caranya gimana ya? We must die will lose. Oke, gimana caranya? Oh, dari atas. Oh, oke. Sorry guys, aku baru ngeh ya guys ya. Oke guys, sekarang kita langsung sniper mereka ya guys ya. Aduh, kalah guys. Oke, sorry guys. Kayaknya harus cepat kita guys ya. Oke, aku ngerti. Kita ledakin aja mobil mereka guys.
Heavy on the culos, you know what I mean, Meg?
Aduh, salah, sorry. Duh, gara-gara yang bawa pedang itu guys, kita kalah terus loh.
How many more freaking times, huh?
Hey. Waduh. Ah, salah lagi anjay. Anjay. Gimana sih? Oke, harus one shot ya guys ya. Harus satu kali tembak mati mereka semua guys. Itu caranya. Oke. Kayaknya kita pakai ini aja guys. Yang buat slow motion gitu loh. Bentar. Gimana sih? Oke, ulang. Aku kayaknya udah ada strategi guys ya. Dan semoga strategiku ini berhasil guys. Salah bunuh. Mantap jiwa, berhasil guys. Not bad. Sekarang kita save dulu guys ya. Sambil beli armor kita.
You shall get a smack. Suck almost hit.
Sekarang berarti kita udah bisa mainin misi yang di cafe guys ya, bareng om-om itu guys.
Hey, lady, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kill me a Haitian. And then I'm going to make love like a man. You know that, chica? Something like this.
Gross. Loser. Prick.
Hey, baby! I wouldn't touch you with a 10-foot pole. Humberto Robina, he likes the ladies, not some goat in a skirt. Tommy, I love you. I love you. Let's go.
Go where? Can I get a cup of coffee
No
first?
time for coffee. Besides, I just had one. We're gonna take out the Haitians. Tommy, how do you take out a snake? You bite him in the ass.
Whatever you say, Umberto.
Tommy, you go and get us a little Haitian car. When you get it, come back and pick up my boy, Pepe. And take them out to the Haitians. Then, you go around to the Haitians' processing plant. And you use their solvent as an explosive. Boom! Bye-bye!
Umberto, what about you?
I'm going to stay behind and watch over that cafe with Papa. He's not feeling so good, you know?
The last thing I needed was this. Maybe the last thing I needed was an enema, but this comes close.
Oke, ini mobil mau meledak, guys. Kita pakai mobil baru aja, guys ya. Sip. Dan dia ada di mana, guys? Tengok dulu. Tadi dia bilang apa, guys? Head north into Little Haiti and steal a voodoo car. Di mana Little Haiti yang north?
I had a beautiful woman. Lived around this neighborhood.
You wanna
Man,
headphone
this
thing?
is a nice part of town.
Ini ya. Mobil voodoo ada di utara, guys. Di utara. Masih lanjut nih, iya Alex. Sampai tamat kita lanjutin nih, guys. Nggak tahu sampai part berapa nanti. Wow. Ini dia voodoo-nya, guys.
Oye, let's go find our muchachos.
Ayo cepat, guys. Kayaknya misi ini bakal susah juga, guys ya.
Whoa, man, you drive like a crazy bitch.
Hola, amigos. Oye, the solvent is around the back, amigo. Bueno, Haitian putas, muerte. Vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Follow my compadres.
Buat kalian yang baru gabung, jangan lupa buat di-share videonya dan subscribe ya, guys ya.
Okay, in you go.
Sorry.
For this, man.
Kayaknya misi ini bakal sulit ya, guys ya.
I'm going to plant the bomb. Cover me.
How much of this can you take?
Look at this, man.
Come on, come on, come on.
Run!
Lari, 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 lari. Lari, guys, lari, guys, lari, guys, lari, guys. Emangnya ini dibuka kayak guys kalau apa? Kayaknya enggak guys. Kita keluar lewat mana guys? Mana cara keluarnya ini guys? Oke, kita ulang dulu guys ya. Pinjam mobilnya kak.
You will dream of me killing you tonight.
Di depan. Salah. Sip. Oke, jadi si Tommy ini kayaknya bermuka dua ya guys ya. Dia gabung sama geng ini dan sama geng yang baju biru juga guys. Yang mana yang benarnya guys ya?
Man, this is a nice part of town. This place is a dump, man. No, they do nice pizzas here. Whoa, man, you drive like a crazy bitch.
Hola, amigos.
I will satisfy.
Oye, the summit is around the back, amigo. Bueno, Hazen putas. Muerte. Vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Follow my compadres.
Sip.
You lost, man?
Lanjut.
Okay, in you go.
Going to plant the bomb. Cover me.
Ini orang di belakangku ada guys. Lari. Gimana sih cara keluarnya? Cara keluar dari sini tuh guys, gimana caranya guys? Lewat sini, terus lewat sini. Oh, oke. Oke guys, aku tahu guys akhirnya guys. Di situ ternyata ya guys ya. Aku butuh mobil voodoo guys, tapi lagi nggak ada pula. Kita pinjam mobil abang ini dulu ya guys ya. Kayaknya abang ini baik lah. Sambil nyari mobil voodoo juga kita guys. Ah, bukan. Oh iya ini mobil voodoo guys. Pinjam ya bang ya. Gak lewat loh. Sip. Ayo. Oke, sekarang aku tahu dari di mana jalan keluarnya guys ya. Tuh, semuanya dari tadi kayak taunya. Kita harus ngulang 3 kali ya guys ya.
Man, this is a nice part of town.
Nanti selesai GTA ini guys, kita bakal coba tamatin GTA 5 ya guys ya. Kita bakal main GTA 5 guys. Tapi nanti sih biar ini tamat dulu.
Hola amigos. Oye, the Sambil is around the back, amigo. Bueno, Haitian putas, muerte. Vamos.
Vamos indeed.
Sip, lanjut.
You lost, man?
Oke.
Okay, in you go.
Jadi guys, tadi kita harus lewat tangga itu guys ya.
I'm going to plant the bomb. Cover me.
Oye, que te mato.
Ah, ntar guys ya, kita habisin dulu yang di luar guys, biar oke, siap. Oke, lanjut. Oke. Kita harus lewat sini. Oke guys, kita berhasil. Sip. Lumayan duitnya. I name it by parkour guys. Pinjam mobilmu bang, pinjam mobilnya bang ya. Kita simpan dulu guys gamenya. Oh, ini motornya keren ya guys ya.
How's the cafe?
Oh, wonderful. Incredible, Tommy. Incredible. No wimps, Tommy. Just real men. And the beautiful women. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, me and Papi, to us, you're Cuban. You have proved yourself, man. You got big cojones.
Well, thank you, Umberto. Nobody said that to me since I left jail. See you around.
Sip. Lanjut. Jadi misi yang tersisa itu guys, lihat dulu ya guys ya. Love first. Yang di love first aja guys. Oke.
Tommy, why you coming back here, fee? Me tell you, we don't want to see you around here no more.
Apa itu guys? Mantap. Ini wow. Senjata di sini bagus-bagus ya guys ya. Tapi mahal guys. Ini apa guys? Wow. Mahal-mahal guys ya, gila mahalnya.
Yes! Brilliant, bloody brilliant! Hey, Tommy! Glad you could make it. Hey, you ever met Love Fist before?
No, I haven't, but I've always loved your music.
Let me introduce you to the band. This is Percy, Dick, Willie's in the Kazi, and that was Jez in the booth earlier. And guys, I wanted to meet a good friend of mine. This is Tommy. We go way back.
Hey, pal. And, what was your name again?
Leave it out, Jez, you remember. Don't be playing them games with me, mate. I'm too crafty for that, sunshine.
English prick. My good
See,
one in America.
The thing is, Tom, the boys need some help. They ain't too connected here. They don't have the old hands, your father.
We need some drugs, pal. Gotta get on the old love fest fury, you know?
Yeah!
Well, this is Vice City, man. What's the problem?
Love juice, man. We need love juice, man, can?
Love juice?
Aye, 2 parts boomshine, 1 part trumpet, 5 fizz bombs, and a litre of petrol. Can you help us out, pal? Oh, it would really mean a lot
You
for
can
the
do that for the boys, right?
Sip, lanjut. Love juice. Kayaknya itu bahan-bahan membuat narkoba sama mereka, guys. You need a car or motorcycle. Oke, siap. Motorcycle aja, guys.
Looking for something special? I got what you need. Thanks for the money, sucker.
What the hell? Aku butuh mobil kayaknya. Dan memang bukan kayaknya lagi. Sorry guys, agak nolak ya guys ya. Tadi ini jaringannya kurang stabil guys. Aduh. Gagal kita guys. Kayaknya pakai mobil polisi lebih mantep ya guys ya. Tapi kita terkunci. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kita harus pakai mobil yang kencang guys. Mobil kencang tuh ini ya. Ini kencang nggak ya?
Don't take it personal.
Lumayan sih.
Damn, honey, you look a hot dish.
Aku butuh mobil polisi sebenarnya guys.
You make me run and I'll get all sweaty.
Karena mobil polisi itu kencang ya guys ya.
Looking for something special? I got what you need. Thanks for the money, sucker.
Wow. Sip. Jadi kita bakal ngejar penjahat ceritanya guys. Mantap. Tanpa di sip.
Hey, mate, the guys could do with some company, if you know what I mean.
I know just the girl.
Apartemennya di mana guys ya? Di seberang pulau guys. Pintunya nggak ketutup ya guys.
Hey, Mercedes.
Hiya, Tommy. And how are you?
Just fine. Listen, you fancy having love fist?
Okay.
But just as a favor, I expect returned.
I must be hurry. Mangalsin, hello Mangalsin. Hello too.
I see you later, big boy.
Sip. Lanjut lagi ya misinya guys ya.
Tommy, man, am I glad to see you.
What's going on?
Bad vibes, Tommy.
Aye, I'm not joking, gang. It's heavy stuff, man. Heavy, gang.
This cat,
Mujhe
we
download
hardly
kami
know him,
hai.
but
Please
he
use
knows
English.
us.
I
Like
don't
this cat
understand.
knows all about us. Knows that Willie likes his ladies' underwear, eh? Or that Percy likes
Shut up, you
Duran
fool.
Link,
Just
please.
says bomb chic. It's a love rocket hen, can?
Shut
Yeah,
Okay, in
the
the
rocket thing, right? But listen,
end
this
of
cat.
video I will show you the link. Oke guys, gak nampak tadi ceritanya guys ya. Kita hancurin dulu mobilnya. Aduh. Sorry guys, ketekan tadi tombolnya guys. Oke, ulangi ya guys ya. Tadi ketekan spasi
Tommy,
loh
man, am I
guys.
glad to see you.
What's going on?
Bad vibes, Tommy.
Aye, I'm not joking, gang. It's heavy stuff, man. Heavy, gang.
This cat, we hardly know him, but he knows us. Like this cat, knows all about us. Knows
I
that
need
Willie
to
likes
download
his
in my
ladies'
Android
underwear,
mobile.
eh? Or
Please
that
give me a
Percy
link,
likes
please.
Shut up, you
Duran.
fool.
You
Just
could
says
find in
bomb
the
chic.
Play
It's a
Store
love rocket hen, can?
or maybe on
Yeah,
your App
love
Store if
rocket
you
thing,
use
right?
iPhone.
But listen, this cat.
You
The
just
guy who once loved this
type
dead.
GTA
Tommy.
Vice City,
Love
then
Fist
you
gone.
can
You know what they say, the good die young,
find
but
it.
Tommy, you got to save Love
We've got a
Fist.
signing in 2 hours, and I think...
Yeah, and the boys think the stalker's going to try some monkey business
I
there.
just have a link for the PC download, bro.
I'll see Love Fist burn. Love Fist ruined my life.
Mantap jiwa. Wow, sorry. Kayaknya aku harus save dulu ya guys ya.
How you doing, mate? It's Paolo again. Look, Tommy, I forgot to mention, we're going to need some extra muscle for the concert. A bit of security. There's a biker gang led by Mitch Baker. It will be great publicity. Very rock and roll, baby. Sort this out for me, and I'll get you some backstage passes for the gig, alright?
Oke, nanti ya guys ya. Kita simpan dulu guys. Ini nanti senjata kita hilang kalau kita gagal ya guys ya. Nanti kita laksanain misi yang di kartu dulu aja ya guys ya. Karena itu yang paling dekat guys. Oke guys, di sini ada armor gratis guys. Kita ambil dulu. Sip. Oh, aku tahu yang ini guys.
Where's Baker? I'm looking for Big Mitch Baker.
Who's looking?
Tommy Versetti.
Versetti? You don't look like the law, so that's bought you a minute. You better talk fast.
Ken Paul said you might be interested in pulling security for a gig he's got set up.
Kid Paul? Shh. No wonder he sent you. The last time he was here, he left through the window in nothing but his limey birthday suit.
Are you interested or not?
We only do favors for our own.
How do I join?
This ain't no country club, boy. Can you handle a bike?
Can you sit on a stool and drink?
Cougar, Zeppelin, go see how this girl handles a bike.
Oh, kita balapan ya guys.
All right, fancy clothes. Let's see what you can do.
Anjay. Itu curang banget anjay. Kasar banget loh bawa motornya ini orang-orang guys. Ah,
Stop right now!
bastard.
You having a good day, asshole?
Kasar banget loh mereka bawa motor guys ya. Gila. Oke, lanjut lagi guys. Cari mobil dulu ya guys ya.
You want a serious problem, man?
Ah. Ambil armor dulu.
I'm 98 for Christ's sake.
Get a freeway or an angel and get to the starting.
All right, fancy clothes. Let's see what you can do. What's wrong with you?
Ah. Susah banget belokin motor ini guys ya.
This is a one-way street.
Oke. Jiwa mantap.
Hey, I'm a historical landmark, Sonny.
Got you again.
Hey, Rossetti. Cougar says you can handle a bike pretty good.
Yeah, how many more errands am I gonna have to run? I'm a very busy man. If it's a fight that's gonna settle this, then bring it on.
Being one of us ain't just about brawling. It's about being part of a family.
Yeah, I've been part of a family before, all right? It didn't work out.
Yeah, right, but this family takes care of its own. We don't ask a man to do the dirty work and then let him do 15 years hard time. Yeah, that's right, I've done my homework. This here's the biggest family of misfits, outcasts, and badasses. Hell, some of us have even been betrayed by our own country.
I was locked up during non-ugly business.
Which is why I'm gonna ask you to go mess with the man. This whole damn country needs a kick in the ass, and we're the ones to deliver it. So get out there, grab a bike, and show this city how pissed you are.
You must fill the cost meter in the time given you. Oke, kita harus.
Rotterdam, 19 South East Downtown. Respond to attend 21 South East Downtown. Rotterdam, 34 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 31 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 28 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 37 East Downtown. Suspect was seen in a red motorbike. Rotterdam, 92 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 21 East Downtown. Respond to attend 51 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 34 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 37 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 34 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 31 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 28 East Downtown.
Wow.
Respond to attend 51 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 21 East Downtown. Rotterdam, 24 East Downtown.
Anjay, bukan gitu caranya.
I've got him in sight.
Oke, kayaknya kita harus laksanakan misi yang ini dulu ya guys ya. Oh, bentar guys, tadi kita laksanain misi balap. Kayaknya kita harus bunuh orang gitu guys. Dan kita pakai mobil guys ya.
Respond to attend 34 South Downtown. Rotterdam, 34 Central Interactive. Rotterdam, 34 South Interactive.
Gimana ya caranya? Kita mati dulu guys.
southeast de La Habana.
What the hell are you doing?
Kayaknya kita harus pakai tank ya guys.
See, this is why I ride a hog.
Respond to a 1034 southeast downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown. There is a 1031 east downtown. Respond to a 1038 east downtown. For the 1037 east downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown. For the 1019 east downtown. Respond to a 1034 east downtown. Terminal flat tank. For the 1051 east downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown. For the 1019 east downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown. For the 1037 east downtown.
Nah, sekarang gimana caranya guys?
1 east downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown. There is a 1034 east downtown.
Kita harus balik dulu guys ya. Bintang 6 guys. Aduh. Kita harus balik guys. Aduh guys, ini gimana kita bisa lewat ini guys? Sorry Pak Polisi, ini harus kita lakukan guys. Okay.
Hey there, Mitch. Well, if it ain't badass Rossetti. Now I want to see how good you can fight for your patch. A local street gang made the mistake of stealing my hog. Probably because of some machismo thing or something. Me and the boys would go over there and teach them a lesson in respect and all. Anyways, then I got to thinking. This would make a good initiation for you. You get my bike back, you can tell Paul he's got his security.
Sip.
Come on. Come on.
Dan kita juga butuh senjata, guys. Wah, tiba-tiba udah ketimpa tank loh, guys. Kita butuh senjata, guys, karena itu pertempuran lagi, guys. Tapi uang kita tinggal sedikit loh, guys. Kayaknya nggak cukup buat beli senjata, guys. Beli senjata satu aja, guys.
Damn, honey, you look a hot dish.
Sini senjatanya mahal-mahal loh, guys. Motor yang ini yang kita perlu, guys.
Or hey, be careful.
Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna freak.
Behave.
Sip. Come on, let's go. Lewat mana, guys? Ah, motornya nggak jatuh, guys. Aduh. Lewat mana ya guys ya? Oh lewat situ bisa ya guys. Oke, aku harus cari motor yang kencang guys. What? Gimana cara naik ke atas itu guys ya? Motor nggak ada. Ah. Nggak ada motor guys. Itu tangkap Pak polisi, bukan aku. Gak ada motor loh guys.
You're obstructing police business.
Gak ada motor loh guys. Gimana caranya naiknya ke atas ini? Coba lewat belakang tuh guys. Apaan sih ini? Gak bisa juga guys. Cari motor dulu guys. Kita nggak harus pakai motor ke atas itu guys. Kok tiba-tiba nggak ada motor loh guys? Aku harus ke tempat markas yang awal tadi guys. Oke. Ngerepotin aja loh guys ini. Wow. Kayak tadi di sini ada darah. Oke, siap. Jadi bukan lewat sini guys ya jalannya. Oke. Sip. Oke guys, misi kita berhasil guys. Kita simpan dulu ya guys ya. Kayaknya tadi ada rumah yang bisa dibeli guys ya. Tapi uang kita masih kurang kayaknya.
Every time with you, Ming.
Hey, it's Mitch. You did good, Tommy. Good to have the old girl back. You tell Kent Paul, he'll get his security for the gig. You have my word on that. Now keep yourself out of trouble.
Sip.
Tommy, man, that psycho's back!
What's going on? That psycho won't leave Lovefist alone.
You didn't kill him, man, and now he's back?
Yeah. The thing is,
we need someone to drive the limo we can trust, because that nutter keeps making threats!
Show me, I need my mom.
We're all breaking ourselves, man.
Okay, guys, calm down. I'll handle this. Normally, I wouldn't busy myself with driving around a bunch of drunken Scottish bisexuals. But in your case, I'll make an exception.
Sip.
At last, man. Time for a well-earned drink. Are your venue's just 100 yards down the road, man? Better make it a large one, then.
Hey, Tommy, change the tunes, man.
I get all confused if my head's nae banging. Ah, look! What's this? Hey, Tommy, stick this tape on.
Lovefist, your time polluting the airwaves is over. I gave you the chance to be friends. Well, now I'm giving you the chance to die. You try and slow down, your limousine will explode, along with your big airy asses.
Tommy, pal, you've got to save the band!
I'm getting bored of this.
Just keep the pedal to the metal.
Gotta find it, Bob!
Can't we just drive around all day?
I would get plenty to drink. The bomb may be in the engine. We'll hit a stop to get it.
We're all going to die. I'm going to get pissed.
Hey, there's a queue here, pal. Hey, man, Ansel's near the drinks cabinet. Get out of my way.
Hey, the vodka bottle's got wires coming out of it.
That's no vodka. That's boomshine. Ah! It's wire to blow! Ah! No one said the drink would kill me.
I've seen this on the telly. You got to pull out one of the wires.
Which wire?
I don't know, man. I don't have a clue.
Willie, say something. I'm gonna play bass in hell.
Tommy, man, keep driving fast, pal.
Somebody do something.
Aye, clever. Somebody do something? What kind of crap is that? I've seen braver quines.
Okay, tough guy, you do something.
Look, man, I play a musical instrument, and I have a clue about bomb disposal.
Well, he could just suck the boomshine out with a straw.
I have heard that you're good at that kind of thing. Hey, I was off my tits that night as well, you know.
Just pass Willie a straw.
Aye, a straw? This is a Lovefist tour bus. From a gig a straw fake, if I mean.
Which wire, Tommy?
The green one.
There isn't a green one. Oh, is this a green one?
Any of these wires look green to you?
On that deaths in the car. It looks green.
I should have dumped you lot when I had the chance, man. Glory seeker.
Capitalist.
I've been carrying you for years.
Shut up, you muppet.
Big screaming girl.
Aye. Shut it and pull a wire.
Which wire?
This one. No.
Man, we're okay. We ain't been blown up. Tommy, man, nice one.
Okay.
Rock and roll, man. And we got a gig to go to. A racket to make, groupies to abuse.
Oh, fist! Oh, fist! Oh, fist! Have you finished with that ball?
Oke guys, buat kalian yang belum subscribe, kalian boleh subscribe ya guys ya. Karena kalau kalian subscribe juga kalian nggak bakal rugi ya guys ya. Oh guys, sorry ya. Sip.
Jesus for the neck and the tip. We thought we'd show you our temple of rock. Get a feel for the love face fury. Listen to yourself, man. It's paper mache gaffer tape.
Hey, to the kids, it's a temple, and we are the priests.
Aye, well, if the kids like the priests half cut and going dead, who am I to argue? What? Dave's getting chewed up again? This rate will never get a play alive.
Oh, shite. My bowels.
Right, we can't get on with it, so thanks again, Tommy. Give MC a nice one. Bye.
Sip, lanjut. Oke, kita dapat duit yang lumayan banyak ya guys ya. Sekarang aku mau beli rumah baru guys. Kalau nggak salah di sini sih guys. Sorry. Ini ya guys, rumahnya. Semoga kita punya uang yang cukup guys ya.
Hello, Tommy?
Yeah.
It's Baker. Just wanted to say I really enjoyed the show. Me and the boys want to thank you and remind you, you got our respect. Good day. Keep riding hard, son.
Oke, lanjut. Harganya berapa? 14.000. Oke, bisa guys. Sip. Kayaknya aku bakal nyimpan tank di sini guys. Enggak lah, ini aja dulu. Oke. Oke guys, kita lihat dulu di map ada misi apa. Oke, hanya ada misi telepon. Oke, jadi kita udahi aja dulu ya guys ya. Jadi sekian aja video kita pada hari ini guys. Dan kita bakal lanjutin di part berikutnya. Terima kasih buat kalian yang udah nonton video ini sampai habis. Dan keep stay at home ya guys ya. Jangan keluar rumah dan tetap jaga kebersihan kalian. Cuci tangan sebelum makan dan sebelum melakukan aktivitas kalian. Kalau mau keluar rumah pakai masker ya guys ya. Tapi anjurnya sih jangan keluar rumah guys, karena hanya kalau melakukan hal penting aja kita keluar rumah. Oke guys, terima kasih buat yang udah nonton. Jangan lupa subscribe channel ini guys, share videonya biar aku makin semangat lagi buat videonya. Dadah guys.